My biggest RS3 gripe shows how much I enjoyed it. Most journalists call that awful, yet increasingly popular, shade of bright and dark yellow paint baby vomit. Similar colors seen on Chevy Colorados and Toyota Tacomas, but the RS3's tone detracts from its appearance. Black, dark silver, or gray may cover the huge shiny front grille and faux aero inlets while emphasizing the muscular fender flares that give the A3 and S3 a broader, lower, more aggressive posture. In practice, that position performs very differently from my old A3. No doubt, I adored the A3 and drove it over 40,000 miles in 2 years. The front-biased Hull duct system made it the best snow car I've driven, even on factory Pirelli all seasons, and the quick DCT helped harness the turbo 2.0 liters 258 lb-ft of torque, which most owners believe was understated. Almost 5 years later, I regularly consider a rally prep TT. When the RS3 arrived at my door, I headed straight up to the canyons to remind myself of that long-lost fantasy, but I was starting to wonder if my years of driving the world's greatest cars might make these simple little AWD commuters less exciting. Guess again. Start in sport mode and activate the odd 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-5. The RS3 can sprint from 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds with 401 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, almost double my A3 2.0T. The larger engine adds almost 3,600 pounds to the curb weight, 10% more than my A3 or TT. How would additional mass above the nose function on asphalt with front-biased all-wheel drive instead of gravel rally stages? One car that may comparable, the magnificent Hyundai Ioniq 5N, lacks an internal combustion engine. Not the worst thing, plus the i5N is amazing without the false noises. Internal combustion is still my preferred choice for performance driving and road trips. However, the RS3's lack of a stick shift and clutch pedal worries me. Saddeningly, a Golf or manual gearbox would have been worth it. The base price is $61,700, but the technology and Optic Plus packages cost $67,990, almost doubling my old A3 2.0T. However, a Honda Civic may cost over $50,000 now, and the Audi RS3 appears worth every penny compared to the Civic Type R, Integra Type S, BMW, and Alpha.